Welcome to today's video. Okay, so I'll be talking about the MoonPay airdrop and the latest updates which you have got right here as regards the MoonPay airdrop. I'm going to be talking about it. So if you are participating on the MoonPay airdrop, do it to watch this video till the end, because I'll be moving randomly and I'll be answering questions randomly, and one of these questions will solve your problem and allow you to claim the MoonPay airdrop. All right, so before we get started with the video properly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I post any new update, you are going to be the first to know about it. So without wasting time, let's now dive in. Let me show you what you need to know and how you can be able to resolve your problems. So very quickly, I want to be talking about the recent MoonPay or Paybox airdrop. All right, so we have gotten the latest updates right here about it right on our X account, and over here MoonPay says that the official Paybox airdrop is now live for Cloud and ChatGPT users. Here is how to activate Paybox mode and get your share of 6 figures of airdrop. So first of all, they said first claim ever, create account as Paybox. The account they're asking us to create is of course this account. So this is yesterday I created the account and I funded it just to be ready to to kind of distinguish my account from others. Okay, so I funded it with a little amount of cash, and over here guys, they say we should connect our X account, and over here on my own account I've been looking for option to connect my X account. I've never seen it. I've looking for several options to connect my X account. I have never seen it. Also over here they said complete one transaction with free USDC. We will deliver hints. Ask what is my portfolio on Cloud or ChatGPT. Redeem the rest of your airdrop at blah blah blah. They say we should redeem it right there, and they say that they say that OG claimers should go ahead and connect their agents with their existing Paybox account, complete one transaction as already mentioned, and redeem the rest at the same place. They say that we're welcome blah blah blah, but here is the real thing that actually happened. First of all, let me show you the recent update that we have. First, they say that the Paybox claim has been temporarily paused, meaning that if you're among those that are actually eligible, you should wait, because they have actually paused the claim because maybe the faucet has run dry, and they say that they are going to be opening this again on the 31st of July, which is literally today. Okay, they are going to be opening it at 10 a.m. East time and 2 p.m. East time. Okay, so on this also say that they have actually shared over $707,000 in free crypto to the participants. They also say that Paybox claim wallet is currently being reloaded, meaning that the wallet has run dry and they are currently reloading it. But here is where it gets a kind of funny. Okay, over here they say that they have actually over here they say 3,100 successful claim of free crypto on Solana driven by agentic chat experience in 2 hours. Now this is all this story right here doesn't matter for some of us. Now what really matters is that this campaign, this MoonPay airdrop campaign is not available to people on certain region. All right, it's not available to people in Nigeria, Pakistan, as far as I've known so far. If you are in Nigeria or in Pakistan, this package is not available to you. Okay, also right here there's something that they mentioned which I think we have to check out. Let me find the tweet right here. Okay, let me find the recent tweet that they made right here concerning it. Okay, this is it. So over here on the comment section, people have been asking questions. They also say that this message is not intended for residents of United Kingdom. So if you're United Kingdom, I think you are not part of it. They also say that this promotion is not eligible for user in United Kingdom, Canada, and or Australia. All right, so over here guys, let's scroll down a little bit and find out something right here from the question that people have been asking. Okay, they say right here people have been finding it difficult to connect their X account as well, and they say that this guy right here asked a question saying, is it only for mobile guys? They said no. Okay, they say that he cannot connect his X account. A lot of people are experiencing the same thing. I don't know why this is. Okay, now let's go. From the comment section, you can see that a lot of people are not able to connect their X account, and of course people in Pakistan are not even able to create a MoonPay account or even interact with it because it's not eligible, it's not available to their country. The same goes to Nigerian, and of course they said MoonPay stock here already created account, but keep saying till take a moment. So a lot of people are generally experiencing problem with this MoonPay airdrop of a thing. So what I actually recommend is that you calm down and of course wait for them to resolve every single thing. For example, the claiming page and a lot of other issues like unable to connect your X account or unable to even claim entirely. So over here guys, you can see people actually got very good amounts, a decent amount of USDC airdrop right here, but still they are not being able to verify their MoonPay account. So the problem is different on different region. Okay, so people are actually claiming real time. Okay, so but in case you missed out on this one, or if you are not, if the MoonPay is not available in your country, you should just calm down and wait for another opportunity. Okay, so this is the kind of thing that we usually experience when it comes to airdrop, because they will be giving us hope. They'll be giving us hope that things are going to be okay, but at the end of the day something will still come up and end up excluding a lot of people from the whole stuff. Okay, so over here this guy said, I linked X account, created MoonPay account, tried claiming, but it said that it may take a minute if the account is new, and now the link it's I don't really understand this English. Take me to dashboard. Where can I find the claim page? Okay, so this problem right here is general to everybody. You can see this guy right here posted 4 hours ago, my account is verified and I'm still getting this prompt. What a disappointment. Okay, that is because you are even eligible. A lot of us right here are not even seeing that prompt. Okay, since Mansky right here, who is a top guy in the industry, said, wow, Nigerians are included, shows we are still living in the stone age. Nigeria this, I think he's trying to say excluded right there. Okay, so literally this is general problem that a lot of us are facing. So if you are facing the same, just calm down. If anything could be done about it, I'll still be updating you guys. Personally, I am unable to do anything from here, only that I can maybe use the money right here to trade or swap or even send it back to where I sent it from. So this is the latest update right now. So if you're a Nigerian or some of all these countries, don't worry, this package is not for us. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll be stopping it right here. There are some questions that I got on my YouTube channel on the previous video that I posted. I'll be trying as much as I can to actually attend to those questions. All right, so thank you for watching guys. I'll be stopping right here.